Charles Wasaki. This land, the Lighthouse. Over 500 pieces. Beautiful puzzle. Great shape. Look at those. Look at the edge. The Lighthouse. I haven't seen any more of these, so I don't know how many are out there, but there couldn't be that many. Okay, here's the box. The box has bowing in every corner. So every corner of the box is kind of bowed. See that? Yep. Okay, there's a little bit of splitting on one corner here. That's about it though. Other than that, box is in decent shape. I believe this puzzle was made around 1973. What a beauty though. Thank you for checking out my video.